What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. On today's recess activity, Recess Beer Band was on the set preparing for endorsement for Pantene shampoo. On Instagram post, Recess Beer Band looks so beautiful in her final advertisement for the Pantene in her endorsement for the unique glow. The Pantene helps nourish dry and damaged hair from the inside to make it shiny and wait, and it is applicable to all hairstyles, perms, coloring, drying, split ends, and point hair. Rosette Spearband was also look beautiful on her advertisement for Uniqlo. As you can see, she wears a beautiful jacket from Uniqlo. On a DEX activity yesterday, Nadek Gimea was went at Sham Paragon making time to their business the recrafting. Nadek caption it, 7 take R.M. Williams' favorite pair to cover your life. I have been using it for 7 years and it is a pity that thought it was too late. The area was ruined and let's wait to see the episode 2 to see how it will look like and we're so excited for the result. As you can see, Nadek was so happy recording it and to show it to everyone. Yesterday, Nadek Gimia was on meeting with Nicki Natchat. On Instagram post, Nadek posted on Instagram their cute photo and he captioned it, finally, got to be on my brother's program, and Mark Prin commented to the post while he was on the set together with Urasaya. Maybe Mark Prin wants to hang out again together with their best friends like on the other day.